Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look really weird right now, but I'm going to be sharing you an eye makeup look. So I put this eye makeup look on Facebook and on my Instagram. I'll put it right here. And everyone really liked it. It was actually quite a nice, like, popular look. Everybody seemed to really like the makeup look, so I thought I would do a video on how I did it. Plus it's one of my favourite makeup looks that I've ever done, and I want to wear it today, so I thought I may as well film it while I'm here. So that is what we're going to do today, so let me zoom you in. Hi. So my eyebrows are set and ready to look at my eyebrows. My eyes are set and ready to go. So what I'm going to use is the Beauty Bay Evolve palette, and I sort of did this look when I tried out this palette. I'll leave a clip I'll put the video like up here so you can go watch that video of me trying out this palette for the first time. And I used row 7, and I also use row 7 to do this look, but I do it in a different way. So basically in the Beauty Bay video where I tried this out, I used that as the liner underneath my eyes, whereas this time I'm going to use it as my crease colour. And just changing that one step and putting the colour somewhere different completely changed the whole entire look. So that's why I thought I'd do a video on it, because it's such an amazing colour, and I love like the iridescent duochrome colour that is in here as well, and oh, I'm just obsessed with it. So what we are going to do is we're going to take, so I said I've already got a base on my eyes and everything like that, so I'm just going to take the transition colour, which is this colour here, and put that in my crease. Oh wait, wrong brush. So I'm going to take the Morphe 505 brush, which is, I believe this is called the pointed crease brush or something like that. Don't hold me accountable for that if I am wrong. Sorry if I go out of frame at any point in this video, but I'm looking down here from my mirror. So we're just going to blend this out. And I'm only going to use like one dip of this because it's so pigmented. And then I like to get, what's this? The Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush, just to help blend everything out. This has literally been my lifesaver, this brush, to help blend things out. I'm really digging my eyebrows today. Okay, so like so, it's so subtle, but you know it's there. Okay, so now we're going to take the crease colour down, which is this colour here. This is the crease colour in the row 7. Keep going to use the wrong brush. This is why I only put like a little bit of the other colour on, because this colour is so strong, and once this one gets blended out, I put way too much on. Like so, just to darken up the crease a bit. I did use a little bit too much on that side. Just try and not do the same thing on this side. And try and use like the lightest touch I possibly can. Perfect, I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to take the Morphe 433 brush, which is like this brush here, you can see it's a bit dirty, and I'm going to take the liner colour, which is this main colour. This is the colour of the main show, and we're going to put this on my outer V and like blend it into my crease. So I just get a little bit like on the corner of the brush, like so, like it's literally just on that little bottom bit. Tap it off and put this in the outer V. And then take the Jaclyn Hill one and blend for days. That moment looks a bit funky, but keep adding the colour until you're happy with how much you've got there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is cut my crease just a little bit with some concealer. Again, I'm not the best at cutting my crease, but you know, hey ho. I don't like to make it too sharp of a cut crease. I just like to, you know, put it there to help the makeup stick. Now I'm going to use the NYX Glue Glitter Primer, as it's called, and I'm going to put this on top of where I cut my crease, just to help the makeup stick. Okay, while that's sticky, I'm going to put in the pop colour. So the pop colour in row 7 is this, which is the duochrome colour, which is my favourite colour in the whole entire world. So we're going to put that on our lid. And I literally pack my brush up with this. I put so much on my brush. It's so pretty. Okay. So pretty. Go back into the bluey turquoise colour, and I'm just going to build it up a little bit more using the M433 brush on the outer corner and just blending that colour in. Alright, I keep getting off camera, don't I? I honestly love this colour so much. Like, I'm not really a fan of doing blues, but this turquoisey colour is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to do under my eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the turquoisey colour and put it on my outer corner underneath my eye. Again, sorry if I go off. I always go off camera when I do this. Okay, now I'm going to take the duochrome colour. Oh, such a nice colour. This colour's like Christmas. I don't know why it's like Christmas, it's just like Christmas. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, which is like my favourite thing to do ever lately, I'm taking the Revolution Imagination palette, and I'm going to take the highlighter colour limited edition, which is just like a pure shimmery white highlight, and I like to put this on the inner corners of my eyes, and it just makes my eyes pop so much, and I just love doing this. So ta-da. Can you see that? How pretty. Just makes your eyes pop a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyeliner and my lashes. Sorry, that was really loud. I'm going to do eyeliner and lashes. Right, so what I use for my eyeliner is the NYX Epic Link eyeliner, and I need that. I need that. I might go off camera on doing this, like go off screen. I can always feel my heart like pounding in my chest as I do my eyeliner, because I'm just like so nervous that I'm gonna mess up. Okay, so I've done my mascara and my eyeliner, and now it's time for lashes, if I can get them out. So these are the lashes that I'm going to use. Ah, look how nice they are. I can't remember the name of them, but I'll find out and like write it here. But they are from Superdrug. This one is not on right, and it's making my eye really blurry and uncomfortable, but I just don't get them because they take ages to put on. So what I've loved doing lately is just putting on a little bit of lip gloss and letting my natural lip colour come through. So I've been using the Makeup Forever Lab Shine. I don't know what colour this is. S2? I don't know. But I like putting a bit of this on, just to give my lips a little bit of colour, but I really like just having really natural lips lately. And yeah, that is the finished look. So let me take you over into the natural lighting so you can see what it looks like in natural lighting. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look. I love this look so much. It's one of my favourite makeup looks to do now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!